the next generation drain board that maintains performance under pressure. At first glance, it may seem like your average drain board, but it couldn't be further from it. DELTA TERRAXX is specifically engineered to resist clogging with a heat-bonded geotextile in order to offer the most efficient drainage possible under any conditions. To show just how effective DELTA TERRAXX is, we tested its drainage capacity and compressive strength against an everyday drain board. While most brands test their drain boards between two rigid surfaces, we wanted to demonstrate the effect of the conditions they'll face in the real world. We subjected both drain boards to over 1,800 pounds per half square foot of pressure, using sand to simulate the actual conditions a drain board needs to endure. The result? Even under these extreme conditions, it's clear DELTA TERRAXX maintains a high drainage capacity and offers superior performance that's second to none. It's important to remember every drop of water that doesn't drain properly just ends up somewhere else. This can often lead to impounded water damage, costly leaks, and more importantly, a tarnished reputation. DELTA TERRAXX is designed to perform for decades, ensuring drainage even when compressed by soil pressure, snow, landscaping, and even pedestrians and vehicles. But that's not where the performance stops. Suitable for both horizontal and vertical applications, DELTA TERRAXX is designed to offer quick and easy installation. It's easy to carry and cut. Discover the next generation of high-performance drain boards with DELTA TERRAXX products. Learn more at dorken.com.